Metal roof denting from foot traffic during maintenance is a total headache, but you can totally avoid it with some smart moves. So, when you gotta walk on your metal roof for maintenance, use walk pads, like those rubber or foam mats made just for this kind of thing. They spread your weight out so you don't leave dents or marks. Always step on the ribs or raised parts of the panels instead of the flat areas, because the flat parts dent way easier. If you're working on unsupported panels, try not to walk on them at all. Use ladders or scaffolding to reach spots without stepping there. Wearing soft-soled shoes helps too, so you're not leaving heavy footprints on the metal. If you have to carry tools, use a tool belt or bag so your hands stay free and you can balance better. Also, inspect the roof before starting to make sure the panels are all secure and nothing's loose. That way you avoid slips that could cause damage. And if it's your first time on a metal roof, maybe ask a pro for tips or help so you don't mess things up unintentionally. One of the biggest mistakes with metal roof maintenance is walking directly on the flat panels instead of the ribs, which causes dents that are tough to fix. Always stick to the ribs or use walk pads. Another common issue is ignoring unsupported panels. Stepping on them can bend or even crack the metal, so use ladders or scaffolding to avoid that. Lastly, wearing hard-soled shoes or boots can cause deeper dents and scratches, so swapping those for soft-soled shoes is a simple fix that saves your roof from damage. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle metal roofs without causing dent damage. Contractors also get a great chance to connect with new clients and grow their business through the site.